First, we're going to download the Technicolor CineStyle profile. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link here. It'll bring you to the Technicolor download. You can read this if you wish. Here's a spot where you can enter in your email information, and then it'll send you an email like this. And once you get this email, you can just click on the click here parts, and it'll automatically start to download. And here are the final files that you'll be working with. I'm going to go ahead and connect my camera to the computer using the USB. Now what we have to do is get the color profile loaded into the camera and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead down here to EOS utility. This is the version 3. And then I'm going to go into camera settings. Then I'm going to go to register picture style file. And then you go on to here. Now you can register 3 different custom picture styles. Now you can see you can choose between several preloaded options. Now if you want to use your own, you got to click this little folder here. Then it brings down the Explorer and you can pick and choose. You're going to want to pick the only one that you can load here, which is Technicolor CineStyle version 1.0.pf2. It's a pf2 file. You can go ahead and highlight it, and then you're going to open it, and then you're going to go ahead and press OK. Now the color profile is successfully loaded into the camera, and you're ready to go ahead and start shooting. I just want to say appreciate all the feedback, guys. I hope that helped you out a little bit. Thanks for watching. See you next time.